NATO Secretary-General Mark Rutte announced the alliance is launching a new mission to protect undersea cables in the Baltic Sea region. His announcement comes following a string of incidents in the Baltic that have heightened concerns about possible Russian activity in the region, including the suspected sabotage of undersea cables.
This military activity is part of our ongoing effort to enhance maritime presence and monitoring of key areas for our alliance. It will involve a range of assets, including frigates and maritime patrol aircraft, among others, and will enhance our vigilance in the Baltic.
Rutte said NATO adversaries must know the alliance will not accept attacks on its critical infrastructure, with Estonia's Prime Minister adding that plans were in place for the Baltics to be cut free from the Russian energy sector.